Hi friends, welcome to our channel Shreshta Kitchen. Today's recipe is making of sprouts in an easy way. Let's start. Take 250 grams of chickpea in a bowl and take 250 grams of mung bean in a bowl. Now, clean the ingredients with some water. Remove water from the bowl. Again, add some water in a bowl. Now, completely close the two bowls. Rest for 12 hours. Open the bowls. Remove the remaining water from the bowls. Now, take two cloths. Add the seeds in the cloth individually. Now, tie both the cloths tightly. Again, rest for 12 hours. Now, let's open the cloth and see. Yeah, now we can observe the sprouts. Now let us check the mung bean cloth. Wow, sprouts are ready. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We are ready with more recipes. You will not miss the videos if you subscribe now.